Hello. There is one thing I noticed with people who work with trimmers or brush cutters that they do wrong or they neglect to do completely, and that's greasing up the gearhead. The problem is sometimes dealers don't explain how to do it, how often to do it, and some people don't care, like it's greased up forever, and they have problems. Their gearheads fall apart, and now I'm going to show you how to do it properly and what things do you need. First, you need to use something, for example WD-40, to loosen up the dirt, grass, and possibly some rust. Then wait for a few minutes. Then you can use your original scrunchie that came with your trimmer. (13mm side or T27, but there is one problem. This bolt here has very thin head, so it likes to slip when you use this. So it's better option to use socket. (13mm) and ratchet. Flip it to left. Hold it firmly. And loosen. Now, when I loosened it and removed the bolt, now goes the part that people usually do very wrong. Take the gear grease, remove the cap. Very important, screw it on. Now squeeze as much as you can. Now, when it doesn't fit more, you need to start it up. Spin it like this for at least 10 seconds. Then squeeze up a little more and remove the grease. Screw the cap back on. And tighten a little bit. The reason for me to hold the ratchet like this is so I don't have a lot of force when I tighten, because this is aluminum and the bolt is steel. And that's it. This is how to properly grease up the gear head on any Stihl trimmer. For those Chinese junk, they don't have the specific type of the threads, so they don't fit on this. Doesn't fit. So the big mistakes that people do are trying to do with syringes or stuff like that, but you just think that you've done a good job, but you haven't. So for example, since 2016 I work with this for money a lot. Never had any issues, and never had any issues with my FS 120. The only thing that I've replaced was a V mount once. Okay, thanks for watching.